Yo, what's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Versace Medusa Biggie sunglasses. Oh yes, they are some heat, so stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So like I said, right here I do have my box that does contain the Versace sunglasses. As you can see, it did come shipped in a box like this. So let's go ahead and do what we do, man. Peel back, gang. You already know what time it is, man. We got to go ahead and give it that good old slice. Here we go. Then we got to go ahead and peel it back. Now, you know, I get a decent amount of glasses, but this pair of glasses I have been looking at for some time. Let's go ahead and just as a heads up, I did get these from Easy Contacts, easycontacts.com. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that, but I do like to put my people up on game. Now, I had seen these a couple times online. I believe J Balvin is the person that they use to promote these. He's like the model that wears these, and every time I see him, they look so good. And I was actually at the store and was able to try them on, and I said, you know what, these are a good looking pair of glasses, but they are about, I want to say 300, maybe 325 retail price. So it was like, should I just buy them in the store right now, or maybe I should wait a little bit, check and see if I can find them online for a little bit less? And I found them for a little bit less, man. So here we go. Let's take a look at the box. This is the Versace box right here. This is the standard box. I do have a couple of other pair of Versace glasses, and they do come in this same box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh yes, oh yes. And this actual model is sold out right now on Versace.com. So, I mean, I guess it did pretty good in the sales because they're not even listed on the Versace website anymore. We do have a couple of inserts right here. We have our Versace little book, which kind of, let's see, it kind of tells you about how to care for the product. Nothing spectacular, but here we go. You just take a couple looks at it, you know. But yeah, it also came with this, and then we do get that microfiber. We get the microfiber cloth right here as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Open this up. I mean, everything right here is standard. Let's see, let's take a look. Yeah, it does say Versace in black. It's kind of embossed. If you can take a look at that, it does have that Versace logo right there. But this is just to, you know, keep your joints clean. And matter of fact, right here on my face, I do have the Gucci round glasses. And the Versace ones that I did pick up, they're very similar. But these, as you can see, hopefully you can tell, they have somewhat of a tint to them. They have like a slight tint. But these are my babies. I do like to wear these when I want that super light colored glass. But let's go ahead and get into the Versace joints right here. Oh yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for, man. So hard case right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. These are the Versace Biggie Medusa. And you're probably like, why is it Medusa? That's because you have that Medusa on the side. And here, hopefully, there we go. We can get a little look at that. This is what really makes the glasses unique, is that you have a very skinny arm right here, but then you do have that Medusa in that gold, which is tied into the ones that Biggie Smalls obviously wore. So let's take another look at that. But that's what makes these glasses very unique. And let me take the plastic off. Yeah, these are very clean. Now these, like I said, these have a slight tint on the front. The Gucci's do. These right here are completely clear. Completely. Oh, I love the look on them already. You feel me? This is a very clean look. Let me go ahead and turn to the side. Give you some of that side shot. Oh, yeah. Come on, man. These jokers too clean. And these are almost like dual purpose, because you can put your prescription, if you do have a prescription, you can go ahead and put the prescription in these frames right here and it'll look super clean. Now me, I don't have a prescription, so I did get the ones with the display frame, you know, no prescription needed, you feel me? But yeah, these are super clean. We're in those summer months. You can't really go wrong with a pair of clear glasses. Now, you won't get that UV protection and all that extra bonus stuff, but if you just want something that looks good, I mean, you tell me, man. I think these look very good. And this is actually my second pair of Versace's that I got this summer. I did pick up the Fendachi joints. Oh, you can't even see them, but I'll show you a picture of the Fendachi, which is the Versace and Fendi collaboration. I picked up a pair of those, and I did a review on those. So if you want to check them out, I'll go ahead and put that link up there in the description. But yeah, this is a really good, clean pair of glasses. Let me just go ahead and give you that up close again. Let's see. Boom. Let's turn to the side. That's that money side right there, man. And you could wear these daytime, and I feel like they look especially good at night because you don't have such a dark, you know, you have no basically no tint on it at all. So I mean, you could wear these at night. You can have a suit on, you can have a nice shirt, you feel me, still get that Versace, you know, kind of Miami swag to your outfit. But I mean, it's just a good look. And I did, let me see the exact price, because I know I got a steal on these. Let's see, hopefully they have the price isn't on them, but I will look. But I know I got these. I want to say I paid 100 and maybe 130 or 140, somewhere around there. And they were on back order, so it took me about 2.5 to 3 weeks for them to actually come in because they were back ordered from Easy Contacts. But if you are interested in these, I say that's the way to go, because they're usually around 300 or 325, 350 for this exact pair of glasses. And I mean, man, it's a really good look. I'll go ahead and put the size, because they did have 2 size options, but I'll go ahead and put a picture of the size up as well, you know, just so you can get a reference point on that. But yeah, man, I appreciate you checking out this video. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.